Stop by and take a look at the 2019 A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, integrated turn signal mirrors, tires, front performance, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, rear performance, rain-sensing wipers. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.